Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for November and I've got Birchbox. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit of a different type of box this month. It's a lift-off box. Normally we get drawers, but yeah, so it's a little lift-off box. So I'll just give you a quick sneak peek and then I'll show you in more detail in a little while. So if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you know everything there is to know about Birchbox and you're just curious and seeing what I was sent this month, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Birchbox UK and they only ship within the UK. Inside you will find 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and body care and makeup tools as well. The cost of the box is £12.95 and that includes shipping. You can offer a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. There's always codes flying around, so if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, then you will find lots of different codes down in my description. I have got a refer a friend code myself, which I believe is £5 off your first box, but I'll have a look around online to see if there's any better codes out there, whether you can get like free boxes or free makeup sets, etc., which they sometimes do when you first subscribe. You will find that in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything will be listed down there. Birchbox bring out an edit at the start of the month and they show you the products that are going to be released in the boxes. Now everyone will receive around 2 or 3 of the products, but you might find that you might have a couple that are different to mine. I don't tend to have a look, I like to have a bit of a surprise, but yeah, I just find sometimes when I have had a look and then my box comes, I'm sometimes a little bit disappointed because it's like, oh, you've got a better box than me. But just to let you know, just in case you're thinking, you know, ooh, I love that box, you might not get the same items as myself. I've been subscribed to Birchbox on and off for about 4 years now. Sometimes I have a bit of a break, it all depends, but I have been sticking to this box for the last year because I know you lot like watching the unboxings and you're curious and seeing what's inside. So as long as my views continue to be good, then I will continue to unbox this box for you. But yeah, some months are better than others and you can't help sometimes but compare to other boxes of similar value, especially when it comes to the sizes of the products in this box. We tend to get more on the smaller side of things, so we tend to get like minis, travel sizes and samples. But in all honesty, Birchbox are transparent in the fact that they provide these monthly boxes for you so that you get to sample some beauty treats that you might not have tried before, and if you like them then you've got the option to go on and purchase the full size versions because Birchbox has an online beauty store, so all the products you'll see in the boxes, they will be on their website. When you first subscribe, you'll be automatically given 10% off any purchases off their website, and if you subscribe for 6 months or longer, you then become a VIP and you have 15% off, and that goes as well against any limited edition boxes and things like that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please feel free to comment down below. And yeah, so let's get on to, I'm really reaching over here, let's get on to showing you what's inside. Hey beautiful, this month you're our cover girl, the star of the show. With your November Birchbox and the beauty treats inside, we're inviting you to remember that you're our cover girl because you are so much more than pretty. You're pretty smart, pretty kind, pretty strong this month and every month. So yeah, so looking at the products quickly, we have got 2 full-size products inside this box. So let's go for them first. So the first item in the box and one of the full-size products is a Birchbox Mirror. That's what it looks like there. And you pull it like that. Ooh, okay, hold on. I might not be able to see anything except for my camera. You can see that it's a mirror there and it's got on the back there. I like this. I really like that. I think that is lovely. That is really nice. So this is from the Birchbox accessory range and the recommended retail price is £5, and then it just goes into telling you what a mirror does basically. I'm sure you all know that. So yeah, so that's the first item in the box, and then the next item is the last full-size item and we've got a mask. This is a 3-step mask by Vitamasks and it's Super Green Detox Facial. So it's a 3-step facial, includes exfoliating scrub, sheet mask and moisturizer. Ooh, this is different. I like these. I love a whole like regime. It's got a facial scrub, a mask and then a moisturiser at the top there. Step 1 is an oxygenating matcha clay facial scrub, and then step 2 is a super green sheet mask, and step 3 is an antioxidant seaweed moisturiser. So this is full size, and to buy it will cost you £5.99. It says start with a bubbling clay facial scrub made with green tea, kale, spinach and natural plant cellulose beads. Rinse and apply the 20-minute biodegradable super green sheet mask infused with green tea, kale and charcoal powder, and finish with the light antioxidant hydrating moisturiser made with 7 types of seaweed extract. So there's that. Next we've got a Real Her I Am Tough matte liquid lipstick, and it's a I Am Tough True Red. I think this was the item I chose. Now and again you get to choose an item that you want in the box, not necessarily the item but the shade. A couple of weeks before your box is sent out to you, you will get an email from Birchbox saying that everyone will be receiving this product. It could be a blush, it could be a bronzer, lipstick, etc., and you get to choose what shade you want. If you don't choose, then you'll get sent a random one. Oh, that looks really nice actually. I haven't opened it up yet. But yeah, matches my new nails. Oh, this is a stunning, stunning colour. Oh, is it like a lip stain? Look at that. I absolutely love that. Really, really gorgeous colour. So this is a little mini version, and to buy the full size version it will cost you £18. It says forget topping up your lipstick every half hour with this highly pigmented ultra matte liquid lipstick in a bold true red shade. It won't rub off or crease thanks to the proven smear resistant formulation, plus it dries down in 30 seconds for quick on the go application when you need it. Top with your favourite clear gloss for a touch of glam for the evening. Yeah, that's what I tend to do. Shall I try it on and show you? Oh, I love this colour. I absolutely love it. It feels so nice on my lips. Oh my word. Yeah, I really, really, really like that. I might have to put some clear gloss over the top because I don't like it extremely dry. I do love matte lipsticks, but yeah, when they're extremely dry, it just doesn't look that great on my lips. If you're a subscriber to Birchbox and you've already received your box, please let me know down below if you had a different shade or not. This is Brave New Hair, so it's a hair product, and this is Reboot Mask Concentrate for damage repair and weightless hydration with hyaluronic acid, panthenol and Brave Plex technology, and we've got 50 mils here. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells nice. Ooh, I am very particular about hair masks because I dye my hair copper. I'm really nervous about different hair masks, so I'll have to do a little bit of background research about this product before I do. But it just says here, apply after using Reboot shampoo, leave for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly with water. So this is a little mini. To buy the full size it'll cost you £11.50. This vegan friendly hair mask concentrate detangles, reduces breakage, adds shine, restores and helps to undo damage from chemical treatments. What's more, its unique formulation, including hyaluronic acid, protects the moisture in the hair without weighing it down. The result, stronger, nourished hair. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up. Oh, no, sorry, I've missed one. I've missed one. It was hiding. We've got a Manicadar, and this is a glow highlighter, and I've received this one before. That's come out in a bit of a lump. A bit like bird poo. Alright then, let's try a little bit on my hand here. Feels nice. Ooh, without going over the lipstick. It is pretty, but I think, I don't know, there's something about it. The tone, the colour maybe. I think I passed it on to someone when I had it last time. But if you've tried it before, let me know your thoughts about it down in the comments, because we're all different, aren't we? This is a little mini or a sample, and for the full size it will cost you £23. Mix this universally flattering incandescent liquid with your favourite foundation or wear alone for a luminous all over glow. The hydrating formula imparts a youthful glow and dewy finish which is flattering for all skin types. So that is the actual last item in the box, and I'm going to gather them all up. So these are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. We've got a hair mask, we've got a face mask with a moisturiser and scrub, we've got a makeup illuminizer, we've got a lipstick, and we've got a mirror. I absolutely adore this lipstick. I think it is gorgeous. I'm going to pass that on to someone. I'm excited to give this a go, see what it's like on my face, and also the hair mask. As I said, I'm going to read up a little bit more about it to see what it's like on coloured hair, etc. But yeah, the mirror, I absolutely love it. I think that is so, so cool. But in all honesty, I just think that it would have been nice added as an extra freebie, just as a gift. Sometimes they do that, sometimes they add extras in the box, but it's like, it's not a beauty product, is it? Yes, a mirror is nice, and obviously I'm going to be using it. I'll put it in my handbag, but I just think that it would have been nice to have another beauty product and then have this as like a freebie. Am I asking too much, do you think? What do you think of receiving this little mirror? But no, I am happy though, I am happy. It's not a bad box this month at all. It's not a bad box, it's just one item so far that I know that I won't be using. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? And if you've already received your box, if you are a subscriber, I'd love to hear what you got as well. And also the lipstick, if you got a different shade. I'm just curious in finding out what you lot got as well. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.